If you need something quick for Valentine's Day, whether it's for daycare, movie night, or just a sweet little surprise, I got a free printable that you can make in minutes. Hey party friends, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to grab our free Valentine's Day popcorn wrappers from the blog, print them at home, and put them together in just a few minutes. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is head on over to our website at hangingwiththekiddos.com and grab the free printable. Once we have downloaded and opened the file, it's time to print. I'm going to be using our glossy paper, so I need to make sure I go into my printer settings and set it for the type of paper I'm using. I'm going to set my paper type to photo glossy paper, and I'm going to set the print quality to best. I'm going to be printing our labels out using our party and confetti glossy paper sheets. First, I'm just going to cut out the wrapper. You can use scissors or a paper trimmer, whatever you have on hand. Once I cut out my wrapper, I'm going to wrap it around a microwave popcorn bag. These fit the standard size microwave popcorn bags, and they also work for the mini ones too. I'm using double-sided tape to secure the bag, but you can also use regular tape or glue. You can personalize these by writing in a name with a pen or a permanent marker. If you need something quick for tomorrow, this is such an easy option. Grab the free printable from the blog. I'll link it below. Make sure you're on our email list and subscribe to our YouTube channel because I send out free printables and business tips all the time. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.